Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. Let's start to make a lovely Valentine bouquet card. For that we need cardstock, craft paper, scissor, this is flower punch, glue and gel pen. So let's start. First let's fold the stock paper. See, I have made your heart. Just draw very lightly, then we'll decorate it. Now we'll go for inner part. We'll make a bouquet. This will come into this. It should be of the same size or smaller than that. So now see, here is the opening. We'll mark 2 lines here and here. Let's mark. And the other one here. This should be the small one. Cut this. So this is the joint part, the middle part here. Open and just draw the lines, slant lines here. See, I have drawn these 2 lines, slant lines. Now we'll score this line. See, I have scored the lines. Now turn your page and just fold where you have scored. Same thing here. When you will close this, see, this is a bouquet. Now we'll decorate it. See, I have already cut this heart and decorated. You can cut it with your craft papers, heart punch also, and with this beautiful flower punch, I have punched these 2 color flowers that will decorate on our greeting card, and this will be on our bouquet. So, and this is a quilling strip, or you can cut it from your craft paper also. We'll cut into smaller parts. Uneven we will cut, small, big, small, big. Now we'll glue it on this bouquet. Just apply glue and stick it on this side. Likewise, stick here all the quilling strips. Likewise, stick here down also. Just press it. And now this. Now we'll stick hearts on this. Now let this dry. We'll decorate our upper card. This. For that we will apply a glue. And I'll take this small flowers and we'll decorate with it. I'll just press in between. Likewise, stick all these flowers on this heart. See, I have completed this. Now we'll stick the red flowers. This flowers. Just apply only a little bit. Just press in middle so that the flower petals come up in 3D form. Likewise, complete your heart. See, I have made the alternate line of these two flowers. Just complete it. See, I have completed this. Now let this dry. We'll come back to our bouquet. Now the strips are dried. Now we'll stick these hearts like this way. Just apply a glue and stick your hearts. First I'll stick this 3 I love you, 3 hearts. Say this. Small, big hearts. See, I have stick all these hearts, and now when you will close this, see, this will be your pop-up bouquet. So now we'll decorate here. See, I have made a bow here of satin ribbon. Just apply a glue in, and here it goes. Now you can stick your flowers. See, my this red flowers are remaining, so I'll stick here. I'll make a heart over here, small heart. I'll just stick this. See, I have stuck this. Now we'll erase this line. Now see, when we'll close this and open it, this is a pop-up card. Now we'll stick this card into this. Just apply glue and stick it. Let it dry. See, now it is dry. When we open it, this is a card, and now comes the sentiment. I have written I love you. I'll stick it here. See, now the card is complete. I'll open it. See this, how beautiful it looks. So I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon for notification of my new uploads. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.